Welcome to another episode of Funky Car Finds. First up is this 1949 Plymouth for $9,000. And here's some information if you want to pause and read it for yourself. But yeah, it's a pretty cool rat rod in my opinion. Has got a lot of green going on, a lot of death hanging around too, for that matter. If you're into that, you're into skulls in the dashboard and like skulls hanging on the back of your car, skulls hanging in front of your car, then this is the car for you. But $9,000? That's pretty hefty. Next up is a 1998 Dodge Grand Caravan for $14,500, and here's some details if you want to read for yourself. So it's basically another rat rod, has starred in Mad Max apparently, has won several awards for it too. Has a custom hot tub with the SpongeBob doors included, I guess. Yeah, there you go. There's the hot tub. There's the skeleton also to keep you company. But $14,500? I don't know. And next up is a 1993 Cadillac for $22,000. And here's some information if you want to read for yourself. But yeah, basically it's a lot of blue and a lot of chrome. A lot of wheels and wheels. Basically, for $22,000. I don't know, it's cool, but $22,000, dog, come on, I don't know. And next up is a 1934 Ford Custom for $6,200. Here's some details if you want to read for yourself. But yeah, it's basically an old Ford that looks like a cargo box or something like that with a cool set of muscle car wheels or some kind of sport wheels, but it looks kind of slow, if you know what I mean. not the sharpest knife in the drawer. Yeah, but $6,200 is pretty alright. And here's a 1970 Ford F100 Sport for $3,500, and here's some more details if you want to read for yourself. Yeah, it's pretty much a rusty old Ford that's been sitting in the owner's backyard for about 100 years. Yeah, seems pretty alright underneath. I mean, not too bad, not too shabby. A little bit of rust here and there. I mean, it's probably good for parts, yeah, maybe skip the seats and probably the bed also. But yeah, $3,500, probably something's good, And here's a 1988 Club Car Hot Rod Golf Cart for $1,500. Here's some more details if you want to read for yourself. I mean, I don't want to be a hater because obviously the guy has been creative and put some work into it, like, I don't know, an afternoon. But how the hell am I going to get into this thing? That's all I want to know. And next up is this 2025 Shelby Cobra style golf cart for $8,500, and here's some more details if you want to read for yourself. Yeah, this is definitely a cool build. You can tell that the guy who built this obviously put a lot of hours into this and knows what he's doing. I mean, just look at the detail in this thing. I mean, this looks like a Shelby Cobra, but it's a golf cart. So yeah, I don't know if it's worth $8,500, but for sure, like 5, maybe 6. I mean, look at it, it's cool. And here's a cool resto-modded Ford for you from 2007 for $10,000. Here's some more information if you want to read for yourself. So essentially it's a body swapped Camaro 68 onto a 2007 Mustang. You can see the process here. It's pretty cool. And according to the owner, it's his daily driver. Has no traction whatsoever on wet or dry surfaces. So yeah, $10,000, it's yours, baby. Next up is a 2015 Smart for $7,500, and here's some more information if you want to read for yourself. Yeah, I'm not sure what to make of this. Like, I don't know, what am I paying $7,500 for? It's just like a Smart with big wheels and a light bar. Oh, but it comes with a shopping cart. Oh, okay, then it makes sense. And here's a 1994 Chevy Blazer for $6,500, and here's some more information if you want to read for yourself. Yeah, I mean, yeah, There's a lot of effort that went into this. I can see that. I can see the craftsmanship. I can see the engineering. I can see everything, all the details, all the wheels, everything sticking out. But when you hear it, it all makes sense. And here's another rat rod for you, a 2006 Mustang for $2,500. And here's some more details if you want to read for yourself. This is a piece of art right here. I mean, look at this. You could be driving around, towing shit, just driving around town getting groceries, you know. Look at that engine. Ah. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Love it, love it. Yeah, rust in peace, baby. Yeah, I mean, look at that detail. Look at that craftsmanship, you know. Too bad. The only thing that's the problem here, the engine's locked up. That's the only problem. Next up is a 1995 Chevy Impala for $9,000. Here's some more information for you if you want to read for yourself. Yeah, this is one of those, you know, I spent so much on parts type deals. And he kind of regrets it. He kind of wants it back. He kind of wants you to pay for all the parts. You know, it's a 6-speed. Come on, bro. I mean, that's $9,000 right there. If you enjoyed this episode of Funky Car Finds, please hit the like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching and see you next time.